Hi guys, so now I'm unbox this full color, my second full color lip tint in the shade PPO2 because this one is already empty and it um as you can see guys, it's not tinting. Basta, and then Nick will also try this shade because we will go in the other house after this.
To pray.
Yes, to pray for, of course. So fast forward, I'm still okay. So ga-vlog na ko day. Yes, I'm sorry, but I should speak in English dili. I must speak in English. Okay. So after I unbox this or unseal this box, I can see the beautiful lip tint. Okay. Oh my god. Wala. Oh my gosh, arit. Try bala artig bug ata, di ba? Ari, try bala sim kamot. Bug, di ba? Bug at siya. Oh my gosh, I'm imulan.
Para kang tanga.
It's so cute, guys. I already have two. So, okay, so my lips. This is my lips
It's really not
without
tinting.
without this product. So we'll try. Oh my god, it's so freaking shit. Oh, here, listen to the pop. Ah, so this. Hello, shucks. Walang dugo. Wala, wait lang. Wait lang.
Gintampa ta ka mo. Ew.
I think because of the dryness of my
Me too.
lips. But it's okay.
My
Hala,
lips are
shucks.
so dry.
Hello, I sing dugo kayo na. But you guys, so this is only one dip.
Ay, English kayo mo yan.
One dip is already enough for your whole and full lips. Nick. Don't smell test na mo siya. Do candy.
Candy nga expired.
Tala oh. Hindi ah.
Candy nga expired.
Oh frick.
Ouch!
Oh frick. Tawa ang difference. Oh, sino ka dyan? And open na. Hoy, Konami. I love
Ma-change
this.
pa na niya nga ano, or manaan na.
First, it's all watery, but if maset na siya, then it will go sa matte na siya. But still, it's so lightweight, guys. Wala ka ganyan may matyagan nga may imo nga lips. There's something on your lips, guys. Like, promise. One dip lang, ha? This one. No. And, yeah. Diba? Look at the difference.
No, candy nga expired.
No, it's samot bala.
Saan mo pa yun?
Itong ina mo.
Charot.
Arte, linti. Itong
Ang
paon-paon.
smell, pero ang...
I-mix mo lang. I-blend mo yung mga lips. You should prep your lips, kaya guys, because our lips is somewhat like dry. But oh my gosh, ara na.
Ang smell, pero taste, I don't like.
Ta ina mo, kanami bala. Yun ka.
Manilang.
Dahil ara na. Ari nagmat na siya. Mat na.
Your
Cute
mat
na.
is matting.
And that's all for today, guys. Bye.